Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to talk about the nominal sentence in Arabic. It will be an introduction session. Al-Jumlatul Ismiya. There are two types of sentences in Arabic. Verbal sentence, Al-Jumlatul Fi'liya, and the nominal sentence, Al-Jumlatul Ismiya. How do you identify, or what's the difference between these two sentences? Well, at the simplest level, a Jumlatul Fi'liya or a verbal sentence is a sentence which starts with a verb, and a nominal sentence or Jumlatul Ismiya is a sentence that starts with a noun. Let's look at some examples of each of these two different types of sentences. Starting with verbal sentence, Al-Jumlatul Fi'liya. Zahabtu ilal madrasati. I went to the school. The beginning of the sentence is zahabtu, which is a verb, hence a verbal sentence. Another one, kharajat talibu min al fasli. Kharaja is another verb, so that makes this sentence a verbal sentence as well. And another example I have here is ma zahabu ila suqi. They did not go to the market. Now ma here is actually a harf, so it's neither a verb nor a noun. So when you are identifying the type of sentence, you have to ignore the beginning particles or the harf. So if you ignore ma and you look at the next word, which is zahabu, now that is a verb, so this becomes a verbal sentence again. Switching over to the nominal sentence, al-jumlatul ismiya, this is a type of sentence that starts with a noun or an ism. Al-qamaru jamilun, the moon is beautiful. Al-qamaru here is a noun, so this would be a nominal sentence. Ana talibun, I am a student. Ana here is actually a pronoun, which from Arabic point of view is actually a subtype of noun. Hence, this is a this is a nominal sentence. Ahaza baytun. We're not going to analyze the interrogative sentence, but if you look at the answer, la haza masjidun. No, this is a masjid. So la again is a particle. So ignore that and look at the next word, which is haza. Ismul ishara, a demonstrative pronoun. Again, from an Arabic point of view, this is a noun. So this sentence becomes a nominal sentence. So now that we know the difference between the verbal and the nominal sentence, let's get deeper into the nominal sentence. So the key thing to understand about the nominal sentence is that there are two key parts of a nominal sentence. And what are those two key parts? Well, one is the subject of the nominal sentence, and second is the predicate. Okay. So what is the subject? Well, subject, the definition is, this is the thing that we are talking about. Okay. Simplest definition, this is the thing that we are talking about. Okay. And what is the definition of predicate? This is what we are saying, about that thing, Okay. Let's look at an example to really understand this concept. The moon is, okay, I need to work on my spelling here. The moon is beautiful. Okay. So what are we talking about here? Well, we are talking about the moon. So this becomes the subject. And what are we saying about it? The fact that it is beautiful. So that is the predicate. Okay. Well, Arabic has names for these terms, subject and predicate. In Arabic, we call subject the mubtada. Okay, mubtada'un, and predicate is called khabar. Okay, so when we in Arabic, when we say al, let me write it slightly differently. So when I say al qamaru jamilun, okay, what am I talking about? The subject here is al qamar, so that is my mubtada. And what is the khabar? What am I saying about the qamar? The fact that it is beautiful. So jamilun is the khabar. Okay, another example from the list that we saw before, ana talibun. Okay, so what is the subject here? I. So mubtada is ana, and what is the khabar? The fact that I'm a student, so that is the khabar. Okay. If we go back and look at the third example that we had here, haza masjidun. So in this case, what is it that we are talking about? We're talking about this. Okay, so this from grammatical point of view now is mubtada, and what are we saying about this? The fact that it is a masjid. So masjid is the khabar. Okay, so this was just a quick introduction to the nominal sentence.